Bharatiya Sant Mahaparishad, inaugurated in Bangalore for the excellence of historical Indian culture, a well-organized union of all like-minded, venerable saints belonging to Indian culture from all over the world, Bangalore, 17th June 2025, the inauguration program of Bharatiya Sant Mahaparishad for the excellence of historical Indian culture was held in Bangalore. Today, the gathering of saints from all over India was like spreading Indian culture. Bharatiya Sant Mahaparishad.
शांता महांतो विचरन्ति संतः वसंतवल्लोकहितं चरन्तः तीर्णाः स्वयं भीमभवार्णवं जनान् अहेतुनान्यानपि तारयन्तः. The definition of santas is so glorious. The saints are always calm and cool and peaceful. They are like the Vasanta Rutu. Just like the Vasanta Rutu is not always consistent in any country or region, it keeps changing from region to region. Same way santas keep moving around and blessing the people of different places. Like a Vasanta Rutu, they keep moving and they help. They have transcended the difficulties of this world and they help others to transcend without expecting anything. संतों की महिमा तो आप लोग सब जानते हैं. संत शांत होते हैं, महागुणवान होते हैं, वो सबके भलाई के लिए हर समय काम करते रहते हैं. சாது மகாபுருஷர்கள் எப்பவுமே எல்லாருடைய நன்மைக்கு நிரந்தரமா செயல்பட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு தனக்குன்னு ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது, எல்லாத்தையும் துறந்தவர்கள். ஆனா லோகத்தோட க்ஷேமத்துக்கு வேண்டி நிரந்தரமா வேலை பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. I greet all the sons present here by saying Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Hari Om. My heartfelt reverential greetings to all santas and affectionate regards to all dignitaries and all others present here. We are all aware that today is a very auspicious, historical and monumental day because it is going to make a difference to the world. A positive and favorable difference which is going to last for eternity. I forgot to tell you that there is a booklet here. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Same way future, the next prelude also you'll be seeing it. It is here in this book. Please see this. It is there in this booklet. What I am speaking is there in English, in your own languages, maybe in Hindi, Kannada, Tamil. It's been translated. You can see it. The santas of Bharati Sanskriti spread all over the world have only one goal. Their only commitment is the welfare of the world with peace and harmony. Santas foster peace and harmony, brotherhood, love and affection. Santas are the embodiment of peace. Shantaha Santaha, Shantaha Santaha. It means that santas are always composed and calm. Their only aspiration is to see that all people are happy. They try to give maximum happiness to the maximum number of people for the maximum time. For this, they are ready to sacrifice anything. Even though the santas of Bharati Sanskriti have sacrificed and are sacrificing their personal needs and comforts and luxury, they have not been able to fulfill their aspiration of establishing peace and harmony in Bharat. This is because in the process of evolution, santas had to adorn the responsibility of managing spiritual centers called mutts or ashrams and had to protect their individual sampradayas or lineages of diverse religious observances. This has led to the absence of harmony between santas and mutts. ಮಠಗಳ ಮತ್ತು ಆಶ್ರಮಗಳ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ, ಆ ಹೊಣೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಬಂದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಸಂತರಿಗೆ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಹನಶೀಲತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸಹನಶೀಲತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಸ್ ಎ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ, ಅವರ್ ಬಿಲವಡ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ, our revered Bharat Mata, the mother of all sampradayas, the mother of all samudayas, the mother of all panthas, the mother of all scholars, the source of all knowledge, Bharat Mata, Jnana Bhumi, Punya Bhumi, Karma Bhumi is sad. Bharat Mata is not happy at all. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ಈಗ ಆನಂದದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದುಃಖ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು? In the past, Bharat Mata was attacked by people from outside the boundaries of Bharatvarsha. That is, outside Akhanda Bharata. The attacks were from outside. But now Bharat Mata is facing attacks from inside. Bharat Mata has always been capable of handling attacks from outside, but today she is facing a great difficulty in handling the attacks from inside, because her own valuable jewels in the form of her children, the children of Bharat Mata, her very Atmajas, Aurasa Putras, Aurasa Putris of Bharat Mata are abandoning her Samskriti. Bharat Mata बहुत दुखी है, क्योंकि भारत माता के पुत्र और पुत्रियां भारतीय संस्कृति को त्याग कर रहे हैं, उसका त्याग कर रहे हैं, उसका पालन परिपोषण नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपने अनुष्ठान बराबर नहीं कर रहे हैं, केवल मौखिक रूप से कहते हैं कि हम भारतीय हैं, पर उसका अनुष्ठान बिल्कुल नहीं है. They are moving away from her. They are not taking care of Bharat Mata at all. In the name of my sampradaya, nanna sampradaya, innude sampradayam, मेरा संप्रदाय, मेरा पंथ, मेरा दर्शन शास्त्र, मेरा दर्शन, मेरा फिलॉसफी, मेरा कौम, मेरा आश्रम, मेरी गद्दी और मेरा मठ, इसी में लग गए हैं सारे के सारे. Everybody is now involved in protecting and developing their own mutts. They are forgotten Bharat Mata completely. The greatest people of the world, the Santas of Bharat, instead of contributing to the Akhandatva of Bharata, to the unified power of Bharata, are now unknowingly causing confusion in the minds of the people. भारत माता के संत अपने अपने मठों की रक्षा करने में, अपने अपने संप्रदायों को बढ़ा करके बोलने में खो गए हैं. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಂತರು ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮತವನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪೋಷಿಸುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. பாரதத்தின் மகான்கள் தம்முடைய மடங்களை தம்முடைய ஆசிரமங்களை காப்பாற்றுறதுலயே அதுதான் பெருசு, அந்த சம்பிரதாயம் தான் பெருசுன்னு எண்ணி எல்லாருக்கும் ஜனங்களுக்கு மனசை குழப்பி விட்டுருக்காங்க. இப்போ சந்தர்கள் மாறலன்னாக்க எப்படி மாறும், சமுதாயம் எப்படி மாற முடியும்? If santas don't change, how can the society change? Therefore, earlier Bharat comprised of many small geographical territories which were unified to reconstitute Bharatadesha. There were many Maharajas. After the end of colonialism in Bharat, great personalities of this Bharat Bhumi came together and subsequent to the attainment of independence gave Bharat its own code of administration and governance, and Bharat has sailed gloriously so far till now. Every one of our brothers and sisters, every one of our sahodaras and sahodaris, every one of our siblings have worked hard and have contributed their best, and today we are at this juncture. But all their efforts and powers have been able to manage the country politically but not culturally. They have been able to manage the boundaries of Bharat, but they have not been able to foster and protect the culture of Bharatiya Sanskriti, the invaluable Bharatiya Sanskriti. They have not been able to do so because the defect of disparity and pronounced differences has overpowered them. Every Santa is doing wonderful work in his or her own individualized capacities through ashrams, mutts, institutions, education institutions and medical establishments. They are doing wonderful work in their own communities. They are helping countless people. Every state of Bharat is replete with santas. Some santas are following the Shaiva Sampradaya, some are following Vaishnava Sampradaya, some are following Vaishnava Agamas, some are following Shaiva Agamas, someone is following the glorious Swaminarayan Path, someone is singing the glory of Bhagavan Krishna, some others of Rama, and yet others of Devi as Kali, Maramma, Angala, Parameshwari, etc. Mother Bharat gave birth to Buddhism, to Jainism, and also to the divine Guru Granth Sahib, and thereby Sikhism. They too are following their paths diligently and rendering human service to the world in their own individual capacities. But the sense of oneness has vanished. एकता की भावना लुप्त हो गई है. एकता की भावना लुप्त हो गई है. ಐಕ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಲುಪ್ತವಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಜಾಗೃತಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು. This has become the cause of the unwelcome disruptions caused by foreign cultures. There is not much sense in blaming others. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಕೊರತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೊರತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ದೂರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಅಖಿಲ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಮಿತಿಗಳಿವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂಶವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂತರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ. ಸಂತರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ, ಜನಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಜನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಸಂತರೇ. यदि लोगों के बीच में यदि भेदभाव है उसका कारण हम संत ही हैं. इसको मानना ही पड़ेगा हमको. We have to accept that we saints are the cause for the difference of opinion between saints, between people. So it is high time. They must be removed. Difficulties, whether caused by our own selves or by others, are difficulties. They must be removed. Seeing this dire necessity for the protection of Bharatiya Samskriti, Paramatma has graciously sown a new seed of the revival of the unity of all sampradayas and other divisions of Bharatiya Samskriti amongst the Santas, making the minds of some like-minded Santas as the auspicious field to nurture it. It is this seed that we are going to sow today in the hearts of all